usahay, makamahay. Pero sagdi lang, kay nahitabo naman. Ito yung kadalasang linya natin sa buhay. Minsan, nakakapanghinayang pero okay lang dahil nangyari na. Dumadating man tayo sa point ng buhay natin na nangihinayang. Pero tandaan na lahat ng nangyayari ay may rason kung bakit ito nangyari. Niabot po ba ka sa point sa imong life nga gamahay ug nakaingon kag may pagwa ng tunako buhata. Dili unta ko maglisod karong panahona. But again, remember that everything happens for a reason. As in everything, even your happiest moments and the most painful ones, your failures and your successes. Tandaan that people can come in and out of our life for no reason. The lessons that you learn and the growth that you experience is never spontaneous. It's always meant to be. And if nangihinayang ka man dahil hindi nga nag-align yung kung ano man yung nangyari sa gusto mo, remember that sometimes life doesn't give you what you want. Not because you don't deserve it, but because you deserve more. Kumbaga, there's a higher purpose, a goal, a final destination, or a peak in your journey that you will have no idea of until you reach it. But for that, of course, kailangan mong paghirapan. You need to climb the mountain. There are some lessons that only people and their existence can actually give you. There are also some lessons that only pain can bring out. There are some lessons that the biggest joys of your life will reveal to you. And there are some lessons that you never knew were lessons until they walked out of your life. Kaya tandaan na lahat nangyari dahil dapat itong mangyari. Always appreciate your growth as it is the most beautiful journey created just for you. Also remember the trust that in this life, everything happens as it should, in a way that is right for you. Emotions going wild. Kasama ang inyong hugot babe, Sugar Dolly. Right here on Wild FM 103.1.